I'm Nicola, a full-stack .NET developer, and here's Taskmaster Pro, full-stack task and scheduling management system.
The login is with secure, token-based access and email confirmation. The dashboard shows instant totals, monthly analytics, and interactive charts. You can also hide the orders, schedules, or both. The orders support sorting, pagination, and exporting as PDF or CSV. You can create or edit an order and other schedules. Forms validate live and save immediately. The schedules are date-driven. You can assign users and track incoming work. Deleted users are masked for privacy. A full walkthrough and source code are on GitHub. Contact Nicola for freelance .NET and Angular projects.